This is a Nailsin News Bulletin. Woman arrested for allegedly coughing on $35,000 worth of food. Hello, I'm Mr. Nailsin. Cops busted a woman who allegedly coughed on about $35,000 worth of food at a Pennsylvania grocery store in what's believed to be a very twisted prank amid the coronavirus pandemic. Margaret Serco, 35, was hit with charges including threatening to use a weapon of mass destruction, making terroristic threats, and disorderly conduct. Serco visited the Hanover location of the small grocery chain Garrity Supermarket and then proceeded to cough on fresh produce, a small section of the bakery, meat case, and grocery items. During the sick stunt, she allegedly yelled, "I have the virus. Now you are all going to get sick." During a preliminary arraignment, bail was set at $50,000 and Serco was transported to the Lucerne County Correctional Facility. Authorities would not confirm whether Serco in fact had COVID-19. The supermarket's co-owner, Joe Fazula, said, "While there is little doubt this woman was doing a very twisted prank, we will not take any chances with the health and well-being of our customers. We had no choice but to throw out all products she came in contact with." The woman is also said to be a chronic problem in the community. Sadly, I suspect Miss Serco won't be able to cough up the $35,000 in damages she owes the grocery store. This has been a Nailsin News Bulletin.